Visiting your city today is a matter of great pride and joy for us as we introduce Kia Motors India to you all. Kia Motors today is the world's 8th largest automaker. Kia has a presence in over 180 countries across the world, and 2018 has seen another year of positive momentum in the brand value, where Kia Motors Corporation recorded sales of 2.8 million cars. The investments that Kia is making in future mobility, design, product, and capacity are creating strong foundations for a bright future for Kia's brand and business. Kia's brand slogan, "The Power to Surprise," is reflected in all the endeavors for innovation in product development, communication, sales, services, and other customer-related activities. The brand's dedication to offer cars with world-best quality, unique designs, and innovative features is being acknowledged worldwide, and Kia has achieved significant qualitative improvements in recent years.